Welcome to Bike Update, the channel where we bring you the latest, most exciting updates in the world of motorcycles. If you're a fan of rugged adventures, raw power, and unyielding durability, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and long-lasting bikes on the market, the 2025 Honda XR650L, a bike that has withstood the test of time and remains a top choice for riders who crave off-road excellence and on-road versatility. So let's gear up and take an in-depth look at what makes the 2025 Honda XR650L a bike you should absolutely be excited about. Styling and comfort. Honda knows that while performance is crucial, comfort and style matter too. The 2025 Honda XR650L comes with a sleek, aggressive design that exudes toughness while still offering ergonomic comfort for riders. The high, wide handlebars and cushioned seat ensure you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. The minimalist body design, with its angular lines and bold graphics, gives the XR650L an undeniable presence on the road and the trail. It's a bike that demands attention and respect, all while offering the comfort necessary for those long journeys. The simple but rugged look perfectly matches its personality, a true adventurer's bike. Power and performance. Let's talk about what's under the hood, or in this case, under the frame. The 2025 Honda XR650L carries forward the same engine that has powered its predecessors for years, a 644cc single-cylinder, air-cooled powerhouse. But Honda has taken the time to fine-tune it, ensuring that it delivers even more reliable and potent power for riders in 2025. This engine is built for longevity and raw performance, producing around 44 horsepower, which might not sound like a lot on paper, but on the XR650L, it's enough to give you thrilling performance both on and off the road. Whether you're cruising through highways or tackling technical trails, the torque-rich power delivery ensures you're never left wanting more. The engine's smooth and predictable power band is perfect for those who prefer control over pure speed. It's built to handle tough conditions and give you that reassuring grunt when you need it most. Ride quality and handling is a make-or-break factor when it comes to off-road bikes, and Honda has always excelled in this area. For 2025, the XR650L features an updated suspension system, providing even better comfort on long rides and enhanced capability on rugged terrain. Up front, it's equipped with a 43mm fork that offers an impressive 11.6 inches of travel, which is perfect for absorbing the shocks from rocks, roots, and rough trails. At the rear, the ProLink suspension system has been refined to provide smooth, controlled handling on uneven surfaces. Riders can expect a bike that glides over obstacles while still offering precision in tight corners. One of the best features of the XR650L is its versatility. The bike offers a comfortable ride whether you're tackling a bumpy dirt trail or cruising down a smooth asphalt highway. And with its high seat height, the bike allows taller riders to maintain control while seated in a comfortable position. Durability and longevity. If there's one thing Honda has mastered, it's creating motorcycles that are built to last. The 2025 Honda XR650L is no exception. From its tough steel frame to its rugged plastics, this bike is designed to endure. The solid construction and relatively low maintenance requirements make the XR650L a go-to choice for riders who demand reliability. The air-cooled engine is particularly notable. While many modern motorcycles opt for liquid cooling, the XR650L's air-cooled engine requires fewer parts, reducing the chances of something going wrong. This simplicity means less time spent in the shop and more time spent on the trail. Whether you're riding across deserts, forests, or mountains, the XR650L is built to handle it all. Fuel efficiency and range. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda XR650L is its impressive fuel efficiency. It may not be a tiny, lightweight commuter bike, but this thing sips fuel like a pro. With a 2.8-gallon fuel tank, the XR650L is capable of giving riders the range they need to embark on long, remote adventures without constantly worrying about fuel stops. Whether you're cruising across highways or cutting through trails, the bike manages to stretch every drop of fuel to the max. And in today's world, having a bike that's not only powerful but also fuel efficient is a big plus. Riders can count on the XR650L to get them where they need to go without draining their wallet at the pump. Off-road domination. Let's face it, the XR650L was born to tackle off-road terrain, and the 2025 model takes that legacy to new heights. Honda has made sure that this bike remains at the forefront of the off-road world by incorporating the perfect balance of agility, power, and durability. With a robust 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, combined with long suspension travel, the XR650L is more than capable of handling even the most extreme off-road environments. The bike's knobby tires offer excellent grip on loose dirt, mud, and sand, while the sturdy frame ensures stability and control when navigating technical obstacles. Whether you're climbing steep hills or gliding through rocky streams, this bike will give you the confidence to conquer it all. Street riding capability. Despite its rugged off-road nature, the XR650L isn't just a dirt bike. It's a versatile machine that's more than capable of handling street duties. It's the perfect dual-sport motorcycle that bridges the gap between city streets and wild trails. With its smooth ride on tarmac, the XR650L handles highways and city streets effortlessly. The bike's lightweight and responsive handling make it a breeze to maneuver in urban traffic. The wide handlebars and upright riding position provide excellent visibility and comfort on long rides, whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway. The 2025 XR650L manages to stay true to its off-road roots, while giving riders the ability to confidently take on the streets. Braking and handling. When you're tackling technical off-road trails, you need to trust your brakes to stop on a dime and give you the control you need. The 2025 Honda XR650L comes with a 256 mm front disc brake and a 220 mm rear disc, both offering excellent stopping power. Whether you're descending a steep hill or quickly navigating tight corners, the braking system gives you the confidence to ride hard and fast without worrying about safety. Handling is another strong suit of the XR650L. Its lightweight chassis, combined with the aggressive suspension setup, ensures you can maneuver through tight trails with ease. The balance between the front and rear is flawless, allowing you to tackle both technical rock gardens and wide open spaces without breaking a sweat. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XR650L stands as a testament to the incredible engineering and design that Honda is known for. It's a motorcycle that isn't just built for today, it's built for the long haul. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or someone looking for a bike that can do it all, the XR650L delivers unmatched performance, durability, and versatility. This bike has earned its place in the hearts of riders worldwide, and the 2025 model proves that Honda is continuing to push the boundaries of what a dual-sport bike can do. The XR650L isn't just a bike, it's an experience, one that offers freedom, adventure, and pure riding joy. Thank you for tuning in to Bike Update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. See you on the next ride.